Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for Class 10. To begin, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, create a realistic study timetable, allocating sufficient time for each science subject: physics, chemistry, and biology. Remember, consistent effort over several months is far more effective than last-minute cramming. Finally, prioritize conceptual clarity. Truly understanding the why behind scientific principles will serve you well. Moving on to effective study techniques, actively engage with the material. Practice drawing and labeling diagrams for biology and physics concepts. Visual learning aids retention significantly. For physics and chemistry, regularly solve a wide variety of numerical problems to build confidence and speed. Don't just read solutions, try to solve them independently first. Additionally, dedicate time to reviewing at least 5 years of previous question papers to understand common question types and important topics. To consolidate your knowledge and ensure long-term retention, create concise notes and flashcards. These are excellent tools for quick revision sessions, especially before exams. A powerful technique is to teach difficult topics to a friend or family member. Explaining concepts aloud helps solidify your own understanding. Furthermore, conduct frequent self-assessments and mock tests under timed conditions. This practice helps identify weak areas and improves your time management skills during the actual examination. Finally, a holistic approach to studying includes maintaining your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of adequate sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs better. Incorporate short, 10-minute breaks during every 1-hour study session to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Remember to eat a balanced diet to fuel your brain. Most importantly, stay positive, manage any exam-related stress effectively, and believe in your ability to succeed in your Class 10 science examinations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.